Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by choosing 1 pound of ground beef, ideally 80/20 fat ratio for juiciness. Divide into 4 equal portions. Use 1 pound of ground beef for 4 patties. Season simply. Mix 1/2 teaspoons salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper into meat and work gently to avoid toughness. Form 3/4-inch thick patties and make a 3-5-inch diameter indentation in the center. This prevents doming. Keep patties chilled on a tray for 15 minutes before cooking to help them hold shape and develop a better crust. Heat your cooking surface. Preheat grill or skillet to medium-high, about 375 degrees F, and oil lightly to prevent sticking. Preheat grill or skillet to medium-high, about 375 degrees F. Place chilled patties on the surface and cook without moving them to build a sear. Cook patties 3 minutes per side for medium or until 160 degrees F internal with an instant-read thermometer. Avoid pressing the patties. Let them rest 5 minutes before serving so juices redistribute and the texture improves, which keeps the. While patties rest, prepare buns and toppings to assemble quickly. Toast buns for 30 seconds to 1 minute until lightly browned for texture and warmth. Add cheese in the last 30 seconds of cooking to melt, or layer slices during the rest so cheese softens. Top with lettuce, tomato slices, 3 1/4-inch slices, onion, and condiments like ketchup, mustard, and mayo to taste. Build sandwiches with bottom bun, spread, patty, toppings, and top bun. Serve immediately with fries or a simple salad for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.